Welcome to my channel English Learnings BD. Technical education plays a crucial role in equipping individuals with the skills and knowledge needed for specific trades or professions. Unlike general education, which focuses on a broad range of subjects, technical education is more specialized and practical, emphasizing hands-on training and real-world applications. It encompasses various fields such as engineering, information technology, healthcare, and vocational training. Technical education not only prepares individuals for specific careers but also addresses the growing demand for skilled professionals in various industries. It often includes internships, apprenticeships, and industry collaborations, providing students with valuable practical experience. As technology continues to advance rapidly, the importance of technical education becomes even more pronounced, as it ensures a workforce that is capable of adapting to and driving technological innovations. Emphasizing technical education in educational systems contributes to economic growth, job creation, and a more competitive and resilient workforce in the global market. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.